we're going to focus on the BioCool because a lot of people don't know what it does and how it's extremely useful for people that work a lot with liquid platelet-rich fibrin. So as we know with the BioHeat, when you heat platelet-rich fibrin, it'll actually clot faster. And if we heat it in the BioHeat, of course, we can extend the working properties of platelet-rich fibrin from 2 to 3 weeks up to 4 to 6 months. So if we can heat and it makes the clot form a little bit faster, the same is also true when we cool, it'll actually keep it liquid longer. So typically when we draw our white tubes or blue tubes or green tubes, liquid platelet-rich fibrin will clot in 15 to 20 minutes. And while we're going through this entire procedure, whether it be the BioHeat or whether you're doing knee injections or you're doing facial aesthetics, etc., you prefer that the liquid platelet-rich fibrin lasts longer. So in order to double the working properties of liquid Pure F, instead of going 15 to 20 minutes, by simply taking the tubes and placing them very simply in the BioCool, it will allow liquid platelet-rich fibrin to last from 15 to 20 minutes up to 35 to 40 minutes. So it'll literally double the working properties. This little device here is very cheap, so it's less than $100 US. Very simple to use. You basically just turn it off that way there, and you just swipe up and you turn it on and the blue light comes on. And again, the big benefit is for those that work with either the BioHeat, for those that work in the liquid platelet-rich fibrin field, do some injections, or simply want it to stay liquid longer, this device here will double the properties.